you guys, this is your friend Charlotte. Today I come for you for hair review. I just picked up this synthetic hair in Aliexpress. I'm gonna leave everything here for you to check everything out. This hair is synthetic and it's a curly, and when I see the video, when I see the pictures, you can see the hair is beautiful. So I just purchased the hair. It's right here. I purchased this hair myself. This hair is cheap. I think it's $40 something, and it's synthetic. And they give you a 2-way cap. That's nice. It's 2 of them in there. As you can see, they say 2. It's right there. That's the hair, as you can see. This hair is 24 inches. And this is the lace inside. I have full lace, and the lace is very beautiful. I mean, I don't think I have to put any foundation or anything like that in this lace. Is very nice. As you can see, it's beautiful. And this is inside. You have comb, one here and one here, and they have adjustable in the back. As you guys can see, you have adjustable, so you can adjust to anyhow your hair will take. Okay, you have a little bit baby hair in the front, as you can see, because this hair is so full. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna co-wash this hair, and I'm gonna plug the front a little bit, and I'll show it to you how this hair will come out. I'm gonna use these two to co-wash the hair a little bit. I'm not gonna wash it that much. I'm gonna wash it just one rinse and one rinse. That's all. I'm gonna use one shampoo to rinse, shampoo them, and then one conditioner to just, you know, that's it. So okay, you guys, I just co-washed the hair, and I'm telling you, I'm so surprised about this hair. Look how the hair come out. Oh my God, it's so big, but you know, we're gonna work on it, okay? It's a lot. As you can see, look, I plugged the front a little bit. I have to plug more because look how much I plug from the front. It's a lot. Let's secure the wig, then let's style this hair, okay? Got to be. I'm gonna use this got to be. So you guys, this is the finished part of the hair. I'm telling you, if you don't want big hair, this hair is not for you. I'm telling you, because this hair is big. Look at it. Come on. But it's beautiful, it's affordable. Cream of Nature conditioner and shampoo, and I use the Cream of Nature foam and the oil together. They look beautiful though, and it's light, as you can see. It's light, and let me show you the back. It's all hair, I'm telling you. Look at the back. The hair is a lot, as you can see, and it's very light. You have to do more work with this hair. So if you don't know that much about the hair, I'm gonna tell you what to do with this hair if you wanna get this hair, because it's affordable. And why not? This hair is $39.99, $40. I think it was no tax, so I think it's $40 straight, $40. So, and free shipping. I bought this hair from Aliexpress, and it take let's say 1 week, or 1 week to get this hair. So when you get a hair, make sure you cold wash the hair, because some hair, if you don't cold wash, it's okay. You have to spray. So I cold wash the hair. I leave the hair like 3-4 minutes. Then I start to use the plain water again and just spray the hair to bring just the curl. So you can see that I use the water. It's just plain water. I put it in here, and I keep just, you know, like spray. You know, the more you spray the hair, the more it's coming bouncy. That's what I'm trying to say. So try it and let me know. And how do you think I did? I mean, and I think this hair, you can hair them as a ponytail. That's the reason why I buy this hair. So I'm gonna hair this hair halfway as a ponytail, because when you see the picture, when you buy the thing, I'm gonna set it right here. You can see when you buy the hair, the way they style the hair. That's the reason why I buy this hair, because the way they style them is so beautiful. They style them too, the halfway and the ponytail, and you can leave it like that too. So thank you guys so much for watching. Love always, Charlotte. Bye.